and we
Hmm.
should be
Hmm.
provident. We should not be prodigal.
Hmm. Hmm.
We can live for limited money. So that is second my view.
Hmm.
I have learned.
Hmm.
And third is that
Hmm.
we should respect our parents and
Hmm.
grandparents,
Hmm.
and we should look after them properly
Very good.
for their health also.
Yes, Sunita
And
ji.
fourth is
Yes, sir.
yes, fourth
Okay,
is
I will
we
come. I
should
will come to you.
sir my
Pratima ji, I will again
yes
come to
sir
you.
Okay.
my points.
I will again
Okay,
come
okay sir.
because other students are also. Sunita ji.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sunita ji.
I think
Hmm.
yes, sir. I think 2020 has also learned something.
Hmm.
Former British Prime Minister
Hmm.
Wilson Churchill once said that
Hmm.
never,
Hmm.
never less, never let a crisis go to less,
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
every crisis
Hmm.
teaches us something.
Hmm.
uh, the most important thing is that human needs are very limited,
Hmm.
and
Hmm. Hmm.
and as well as
Hmm.
the world can run
Hmm.
even
Hmm.
without dirty sky, water and lands.
Hey, of course, nature should be clean and
Yes.
clear. Nature should be pure. We contaminated nature. We destroyed nature. So this is the punishment given by
Yes,
nature. In
yes, sir. and
2020. Yes,
Sir,
continue.
and apart from this, COVID-19 has learned to us money is not everything. Money is not everything. Our health and our good relation
Good point,
so
Sunita
important.
ji. Good point, Sunita ji. Sunita ji says 2020 has made us learn. हमें सिखाया है. 2020 has made us learn. 2020 ने हमें सिखाया है. तो क्या सिखाया है? 2020 has made us learn
Yes.
that what 2020 has made us learn. Yes, other students who have not spoken. Who is
sir.
there? Yes, who is it? Vandana. Yes, Vandana.
Yes, sir.
Vandana, what 2020
Hello.
has? Yes, Vandana. I am able to listen.
Yes, sir.
Vandana, 2020
Yes,
has.
sir. We have got lesson from 2020. We should be strong physically and mentally, and we save money, and we should preserve our nature, and we will love all the things which has been created by nature.
Wow, wow,
Otherwise, nature will destroy.
wow,
And
wow, 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 Vandana. Very good.
whenever anybody,
Yes, yes. Vandana says,
yes,
Vandana says, anything
hello.
created by nature. Dear students, anything created by nature, we should love. So
Yes, sir.
we should love our enemies also. Enemies are also created by nature. So should we love our enemies? Who will answer? Who has not
No,
spoken?
sir.
No, I'm just joking. We should
We
love.
should forgive them,
Sir,
sir.
We should forgive that. Clap, clap, clap. By please clap for everyone. Just clap. It is good for health. All the students, please
yes,
clap. Clap. Please clap. Okay, just clap. I want to listen to your clapping. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, we
thank
should
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
we should forgive our enemy. Vandana
Yes.
says we should forgive our enemy. है ना? Okay. So any new student? Who is it? Who? Any new student? Indresh. Indresh. Indresh.
Yes, sir.
Indresh. Now I'm coming to second question. I'm coming to second question. I am coming to second question. Acha, who has not spoken yet? Okay. So second question. 2020 has given us a lot of sufferings. We should accept this truth.
Yes, sir.
2020
Understood.
2020 has given us a lot of sufferings. So Indresh,
Yes.
What is suffering of 2020? What is suffering of 2020? Indresh.
Sir, well, 2020 must be a game changer.
The game changer I'm not talking. Game changer is another point. Suffering of 2020. What suffering we have in 2020? Definitely suffering. Should I tell suffering that we are worried about our life? Is it not so?
Yes.
Indresh?
Yes, sir.
Indresh? 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 Yes. Vinita ji? I'm coming to
Yes,
Vinita ji.
sir.
Vinita ji, what is suffering of
Okay,
2020? Suffering of 2020.
Yes, sir. This 2020 from very beginning is full of pandemic. Okay, everywhere.
Hmm.
So the lifestyle has changed. Everyone is imprisoned, and the person who are working, they are working in a environment of threat of being infected by this virus. And what will be with their life? They are always in dilemma. Okay, this is one point. And the second is the person who are living at home are also feeling a sense of depression. So what to do, how to do, where to go, all these are sufferings. And at the when we talk about corona warriors, they are working round the clock, and they are doing a lot of things for us. So their hard work, continuous works are also exhausting them. And along with them, when we are in crisis time, other countries are also trying to trying to encroach our border. Okay, so at that time they are also creating suffering at the level of nation. So everywhere we are suffering. Yes, this pandemic has created a lot of problems. All the movement has stopped. So many one example, sir, it is not a suffering of only elder person or only young person. It is the suffering of even a newborn child. His vaccination is affected because it is not possible to go hospital for the
Oh my God!
vaccination.
Oh my God!
That is also
Oh my
suffering.
God! Oh my God! Yes, Vinita ji
Yes,
has.
sir. Yes, sir.
Vinita ji,
It is
you have raised
happening.
a very
So many old people who were in need of this medical treatment, they are suffering. So everyone is suffering at some level. Yes,
Vinita
there
ji
is
has revealed.
telemedicine, but
Yes,
that is
Vinita ji.
not the substitute of
Yes, dear students.
that is not the substitute of this all the
Very good,
problems.
very good, Vinita ji. Dear students, Vinita ji has revealed मतलब उजागर किया है. Vinita ji has revealed a very good point that due to this pandemic, suffering, we never had this type of suffering in our life. And 2020 has given us suffering, and especially small children for whom vaccine is very necessary for small children. Vaccine is very necessary, but we are afraid of going to hospital to inject them vaccine, because
Yes, sir.
hospitals are very risky, and a newly born child needs vaccine. So really 2020 we should not ignore, we should not be so positive also. We should learn something from all these sufferings. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
now,
one more point.
Vinita ji, I will give you again chance. We have
Okay. Okay,
very
sir.
good, you are speaking well. So now Pratima is here.
Yes, sir.
Pratima ji, what is suffering of 2020? Pratima ji.
Yes, sir. 2020 has turned our lives tremendously. Because of this pandemic, people are suffering too much. And our economy is lagging behind 5 years back. So we are living in a dilemma. Nowadays people life is not very easy. Very easy of fearful atmosphere surrounding us, and people are not able to do work very easily. They are helpless, and many multi companies, national companies, companies are retrenchment of their workers. So that's why many people are nowadays jobless. The poor and middle class people are suffering badly, because people are on the verge of starvation.
Very good.
So
Very.
this, yes, and this 2020 we have seen that new culture has developed, that work from home. So all works are depends on online, and
We are
people
forced.
can't go outside.
We
Yes,
are, we are, we are
people,
forced. We are forced for home isolation.
yeah, isolation. Yes,
Home.
people
We are
can't
forced.
go outside. Yes,
We are forced.
people can't.
Uh,
Yes,
we are
we are
forced to
forced.
stay.
Yes,
Actually, we are forced to
yes, we
stay
are
at
forced.
home.
Yeah.
So
So
when
that's why people can't go outside. All have to stay at home.
and you know,
And for
life
their
always goes
health.
on. Life always goes on.
Yes,
Life has to move like
yes,
river.
sir.
Life has to move like river. But we are locked.
Yes,
We are locked
yeah,
in our houses. है ना? We are locked in our
yes.
houses
So
into 2020. So it is a great suffering.
yes, sir. So yes, sir. So we can see that children can't go to school. They have to
Okay,
attend
very good Pratima
online
ji.
classes,
Very good Pratima ji.
and
Yes,
that,
Kamlesh. Kamlesh.
yeah.
Kamlesh ji. Kamlesh ji. अच्छा, then Shailen ji.
Yes, sir.
Shailen ji, what is the
Yes.
condition? What is the condition of small children? What is their suffering? What is their suffering? Children.
Sir, the small children or newborn baby who are at their beginning, they are reached out of vaccination. So, which is necessary for their whole life to fight different type of disease. And if they are deprived from these facilities, their immune system will not develop
Very
fully.
good.
Then in future they are not able to fight different disease.
Very good. So
And
Shailen ji has given a very good point. If small
yes,
children are deprived of vaccines, so their immune system will be very weak.
yes.
Harsh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what is the suffering? What is the suffering of 2020? Harsh.
Sir, yes, we had suffered a lot, sir, and we can't go to schools and coaching, sir, and we unable to go to a house, and it also affect our studies, sir, and also affect our market. It was closed also, and the oxygen is very important